Hello YouTube, my name is Captain Darren. My call sign is N4VFR. In today's video, I'm going to show you my setup of the 05 27 feet HOA HF multi-band antenna. Last night I already dug up the hole and let me show you the hole. In there I had to dig up a couple of boulders, pretty huge and heavy, and there's my hole. It's pretty deep. I say it's more than 3 feet. It's deep, right? It's pretty deep. Don't throw my phone down in there. This is what I brought from Florida. I also bought the cap, and I'll be installing that in the hole. That's what I want. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna hold that pole, and then you're gonna throw some rocks inside. Not yet. Wait, baby. Let me make sure it's vertical. Okay. Go ahead and throw some of those rocks inside. Put the rocks inside. Escuche. Agua. It's water. Get the más fuerte one, the big one. Okay, mira. Get the más fuerte, the heavy one. Sí.
No, I can't beber.
Roll it.
Okay. See?
It's just getting dirty.
¿Qué?
Put it inside.
No, porque.
Okay, I'll help you, okay? I need to put it on the back side. Alright. Bien, okay.
Una chiquita.
Okay, put all the other rocks.
Oye, esta
Yeah.
chiquita.
Más.
Luego poquitas. Y luego estas.
Okay, keep coming. I'm putting her to work.
¿Esto?
I heard it all the way to Asia. Okay. You petting?
No.
She just farted, if you wanted to know what petting meant. And she said no, she didn't fart. Any more rocks? Rocks?
What?
Rocks.
Rock.
Rocks.
Quack. Ay. Este es el popó.
Did you grab a poo-poo?
Sí. Estos.
Sophie says she grabbed the dog's poop. Go ahead and put the poop in there too. Ay. Put your hands in the grass like this. Bien.
No me quiero con la agua de esta.
Okay, we're gonna wash your hands. Okay. Okay, all the boulders are gone. We threw them down inside the hole. There it is. Next thing I want to do is throw in 1 bag of cement and then throw those soil on top of it. All right, let's make some cement. Yeah, it's taking forever. This is what we got so far. Okay, my bucket of cement. Look at the. Do you think that's good enough? Or maybe I should add more. I'm gonna double check first that the plumbing is good.
Papa.
It's all 4 sides good. I'm gonna pour this inside. Okay. Hold this one, babe. Excuse me. Con permiso. Get back, get back, get back. Here's the final lay down of my cement. Just 1 bag. So the rest will be filled with the topsoil. And we checked the plumbing with the torpedo. Ball center. Well, thank you for watching my video.